Children, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is fraction. Okay, fraction. So first understand what is fraction. It means a part of a whole. Fraction means a part of a whole. What is whole? Complete, single, one. Okay, one. Okay, a circle, anything. Okay, anything whole. So when you will divide a whole in a equal part, maybe in a 2 equal part, in a 3 equal part, or in a 4 equal parts, that is called the fraction. Suppose you are having one apple, okay, and you want to give half part of that apple to your sister. So it means that it is a fraction, means 1 by 2 part you are going to give an apple to your sister and half parts will remain with you. Okay, so now let's see how to write a fraction. Fraction is written in the form of numerator and denominator. Fraction is written in the form of numerator and denominator. Suppose I am writing 3 by 4. Okay, so here 4 is the denominator and 3 is the numerator. Now I will explain you few more thing about the fraction, means half, 1/3, 1/4. So first let's know what is half. When something means whole, when something is divided into two equal parts, this is a whole circle. When you will divide this in a two equal part, okay, when you will divide a whole into two equal part is called half. Half is written like this, 1 by 2. You will read like this, 1 by 2. This is a half. Okay, this circle is a whole. When you will divide in a two equal part, it means that this whole will divide into this form, in a fraction form, means 1 by 2. Okay, but when you will divide a whole, suppose this is a whole, okay, this is a whole. When you will divide a whole into three equal parts, I am shading one part. So this is the 1/3, this is the 1/3. Okay, this whole is the in a three equal parts, 1, 2, 3. That's why I have written over here 3 and one part is shaded. 1/3 part is shaded. But in a half, how many parts are there? One part and two parts. That's why here 2 is written. Okay, and how many parts are shaded? One part. Half part is shaded. Two parts are there, but only one part is shaded. Here three parts are there, only one part is shaded. Now I will explain you 1/4. 1 F-O-U-R-T-H, 1/4. 1/4 is also called the quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. 1/4 is also called the quarter. How you will write 1/4? 1 by 4. Okay, when you will divide a whole into 4 equal parts, okay, I am shading one part. How many parts are shaded? Only one part. How total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. One part is shaded. So this is the fraction. 1/4, 1 by 4 is a fraction. Okay. If I will shade one more part, now tell me the fraction. How many parts are there? 4. Okay. How many parts are shaded? 2 part. Okay. So this is the fraction of shaded part, 2 by 4. Okay, if I will shade one more part, now tell me the fraction of shaded part. Now tell me the fraction of shaded part. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? 3 parts. Okay, so fraction of these shaded part is 3 by 4. Okay, Suppose I am drawing one another hole. This is the rectangle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts are there? 5 parts. If I will shade 2 parts, okay, now tell me the fraction of shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2. So, fraction of shaded part is 2 by 5. I am showing one more example. Suppose this is the whole. Okay, now I am dividing. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 parts are there. If I will shade one part, now tell me the fraction of this shaded part. 8 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? Only one part. So, fraction of this shaded part is 1 by 2. If I will shade 2 more part, okay, now tell me the fraction of these shaded part. 1, 2, 3. Out of 8, 3 parts are shaded. So, fraction of these shaded part is 3 by 8. Just now I have explained you that the fraction is written in the form of, tell me, numerator and denominator. Okay. Fraction is written in the form of numerator and denominator. So, I am writing one number 5 by 12. Which number is numerator? Exactly 5. And which number is denominator? 12. Okay. Now, I will explain you few properties of fraction. If the denominator means the lower number, okay, the lower number, if the denominator increases, okay, the fraction becomes smaller. It's just the opposite. In a simple number, which one is bigger, 7 or 9? Which one is bigger? Obviously 9. 9 is greater than 7. Okay. But in the fraction, if this number denominator increases, the fraction becomes smaller. How? I am writing the example. If the numbers are 1 by 5 and 1 by 4, which number is bigger? Which denominator is bigger, 5 or 4? 5. So, this is the smaller one. Okay, because just now I explained you that if the denominator increases, the fraction becomes smaller. 1 by 6 is smaller than 1 by 9, or you can say that 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by 9. 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by 9 because 9 is the bigger number. This denominator is the bigger one. That's why 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by 9, or you can say that 1 by 9 is smaller than 1 by 6. This is the first property of fraction. If the denominator increases, the fraction becomes smaller. Now, I will explain you the second property. Now, I will explain you like fraction. What is like fraction? What is like fraction? Do you know? What is like fraction? Fraction having same denominator are called the fraction. Fraction having same denominator. Like example, if the fraction are 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 6 by 4, 3 by 4, okay, all the denominator are same, 4, 4, 4, 4. So, this is the like fraction. This is the like fraction because all the denominator are same. Understood up to this much? Now, just now I explained you about the like fraction. What is like fraction? Fraction having same denominator like 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, all are like fraction because all the lower numbers are same, all the denominator are same. Okay, so next properties is when the denominator is the same, the greater the numerator, the greater the fraction. In the like fraction, when this part, upper part means numerator will be bigger, numerator will be greater, fraction will be greater. So which number is greater one? Leave it, all are same, just look at the top of the number, just look to the top of the number, leave the bottom number because all are same, just look at the top of the number, which one is bigger, 4, 3 or 2? 4. So 4 by 6 is bigger than 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is bigger than 2 by 6. Okay, but what was the first property? If the denominator increases, when the lower number will be different, these are the like fraction, that's why all the lower number is same. But if the lower number will be different, okay, lower number means denominator will be different, in that case what you will do? If the denominator increases, the fraction becomes smaller. I have already explained you, and I hope you all have understood up to this much.